What's up, guys? It's Sergeant Thomas out here off-roading with my E350. I said E, not F. E is for everything, and that's what this can do.
Another thumbs up. See? That's what I like about this hobby. Hopefully no one's gonna go through here. It's one lane, right?
Yeah.
Oh well. I mean, we could see them. They're coming. If it's a side-by-side, they could go into the weeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, they could go. Those things could go anywhere. Oh, that was deep. Oh, it's deep. All right, that's when you power through it. It's gonna sound good on camera. Yeah, it's deep right here. I can tell. Water. We'll go slow through it so the camera could see it. You know, people like water too. Water and suspension action. Wait. They could fit in the little trail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think that's why it splits. That's what I like about this hobby. People wave. I think like when you're doing this, we all have the same idea. We want to get away from the city. So everyone who has this hobby, regardless of what rig you have, dirt bike, off-roading van, people just want to get away from the city, have a good time. Five-inch lifted two-wheel drive van. Show you guys where the clearance pays off. And then my van is the extended model, so the back has a horrible departure angle, but I still clear barely. And then I added extra length to it with this storage box and step right here. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna see the Broncos that pass me right now, but they asked me if I was okay, and I said we're good. I'm just getting the cool angle, and the guy started laughing. Yeah, this is a nice trail. Oh, two-wheel drive van. 5-inch lift kit and about a 3-inch taller tire. So of course you're not 3 inches taller with the tire, you got to divide that. So about a 6.5-inch lift on this van with the tires, with the bigger tires, because stocks are 30s, this has 33s, so divide the 3x2 because the tire's going down the middle, of course. So 6.5-inch lift. So we're just going straight down, right? Okay. People are having a good time today. Let's go through here real slow. Look at this. Take a mansion with you, and take a garage with you, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's basically a mansion on wheels and a garage with all the toys.
Yeah.
All I want to do is tow my Geo Tracker out here or any desert, and I'm happy in my van. This is my budget overland build, lifted 2-wheel drive Econoline. I have about $13,000 into this build. It's not a $50,000 rig, so when I get some trail damage, it doesn't bother me at all. In an ideal life, we would go off-roading all the time, but we're not off-roading all the time. This is why vans make great overlanding vehicles. They're cheaper than a 4Runner, Tacoma, Wrangler, and you could sleep in it. No need to set up a rooftop tent. So I didn't sleep in the wilderness last night. I slept at a truck stop. Now I'm continuing my road trip. Lifted van life. Campground camping at Joshua Tree. That guy was in a rooftop tent. I like seeing different setups. Just rolled out of bed. That's how I stay cool in my van. Mighty cool right there. And an electric fan right here fell down. But yeah, when you have a van, no need to tent camp. So I have this awning pulled out. I have like a little room here and a little bathroom right there. So if you have a significant other, it's cool to have a bathroom for them so they don't have to walk all over there or maybe even further in the middle of the night.